Hello, future business leaders. Welcome to our course on the 5 core business processes. Before we dive into today's session, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that we're motivated to keep bringing you powerful, actionable content to enhance your entrepreneurial journey. Now, let's get started by peeling back the layers of a deceptively simple but fundamental question: what is a business, really? At its core, a business is a process designed to make money. Picture it as an engine, purposeful and repeatable. It takes raw ideas and transforms them into products or services that customers are willing to exchange their hard-earned money for. But here's the catch: it has to do this sustainably, not just for a day or a month, but in a way that keeps the engine running over the long haul. Businesses exist to create and deliver value consistently. Without this, even the most innovative concepts are just hobbies. To understand what keeps this engine humming, we need to look at the 5 core business processes. This is not just for those who are starting a new venture. Whether you're scaling up your startup, running an established company, or simply analyzing how a business operates, these processes are universal. Miss any one of these, and you're not running a business, you're running a risk. Let's break these processes down, starting with the very heart of your business. First, we have value creation. This is the bedrock of everything else. Without creating something of value, you don't have a business, you have a daydream. Whether it's an artisanal coffee shop or a SaaS tool that streamlines invoicing, value creation starts with a deep understanding of your audience. What problem are you solving, or what desire are you fulfilling? It could be a tangible product like a handcrafted watch or an intangible service like financial advice. The point is, value creation means looking at your target market and saying, I see your need, and here's how I can uniquely meet it. Let's put this into a relatable context. Say you're opening a new bakery. Your value creation isn't just about selling baked goods, it's about offering fresh, uniquely flavored pastries that remind people of their grandma's kitchen or satisfy a craving for something they can find anywhere else. Your ability to understand that emotional connection or unique demand turns your offering from just another bakery into the place where people go for that experience. That's your value creation. Next, we move on to marketing. You could have the most valuable product or service in the world, but if no one knows about it, it's as good as invisible. Marketing is how you introduce your value to the world. It's the first handshake between your business and a potential customer. This could be as modern as viral TikTok videos or as classic as radio ads. Think of marketing as the spotlight that grabs people's attention and says, "Hey, look over here." But effective marketing isn't just loud, it's compelling. It makes people stop scrolling or pause their busy day and think, I need to check this out. For example, if your bakery uses Instagram to post mouth-watering photos of your pastries along with stories about the local farmers who supply your ingredients, that's marketing. If you run a SaaS company, maybe you're using educational webinars or partnerships with influencers in your industry to drive awareness. Marketing is about planting the seed of intrigue and encouraging it to grow into genuine interest. Now, sales. Here's where interest turns into action. Sales isn't just about convincing someone to buy, it's about guiding them to see that what you offer aligns perfectly with their needs. Whether it's through a smooth, automated e-commerce experience or a consultative meeting for a complex service, sales bridges the gap between curiosity and commitment. A common misconception is that sales rely on high-pressure tactics, but the reality is much more empathetic. It's about understanding what the customer is seeking and presenting your solution as the answer. Think back to the bakery example. A friendly cashier who recommends a pastry that pairs perfectly with your coffee isn't just completing a transaction, they're enhancing the experience and boosting your likelihood of returning. For larger transactions, like a B2B SaaS tool, a demo that clearly shows how your software solves a key pain point can be the turning point from browsing to buying. Sales is where potential turns into profit. Value delivery is the next critical process. You've made the sale great. Now comes the real test: can you deliver on your promise? This step distinguishes credible businesses from those that fade fast. Delivery doesn't just mean handing over a product, it means ensuring that what the customer receives meets or exceeds their expectations. It's the satisfaction a client feels after they use your service and realize it works as advertised or even better. Picture a customer biting into one of your bakery's pastries and finding it's as warm and delicious as they hoped, or a SaaS user who finds your platform intuitive and quick to implement. This is value delivery, and it's how trust is built. A delighted customer is more than just a one-time buyer, they become your ambassador, willingly promoting your brand to friends and followers. Finally, we arrive at finance. This process watches over all the others to ensure you're not just busy, but profitable. Finance is often misunderstood as the boring part of business, but it's actually the compass that keeps you from losing your way. It's where you understand how much revenue you're bringing in, how much is going out, and what needs to change for your operations to be sustainable. Finance isn't just about maximizing profit, it's about knowing whether you can keep the lights on and meet your long-term goals. Imagine running your bakery and finding out you're popular but barely breaking even. Finance is what helps you analyze why maybe your ingredient costs are too high, or maybe you need to optimize your supply chain. The insights finance provides can guide you to make better decisions, like finding a new local supplier or adjusting prices. A successful business doesn't have to turn into a multi-million-dollar enterprise to be deemed profitable. For some, success is earning a comfortable income and having work-life balance. For others, it's aggressive growth toward becoming an industry leader. Finance helps you understand where you stand and what actions to take. Now, why do these 5 processes matter so much? Because each is interconnected. You can't deliver value without first creating it, and even the best value won't sell without proper marketing and sales efforts. If you fail at value delivery, your marketing and sales successes will be short-lived. And without finance to oversee it all, you risk burning out or collapsing under unsustainable costs. Here's a practical exercise. Take out a sheet of paper and write down the 5 core headers: value creation, marketing, sales, value delivery, and finance. Now, think of a business idea you have or one you're already running and jot down what you're doing for each process. Be honest, where are the gaps? Where could you improve? This simple, old-school exercise can reveal more insights than 100 brainstorming sessions. If you're looking at how to analyze other businesses, these 5 processes are your lens. Publicly traded companies will often show much of this in their earnings reports, while smaller businesses may require a closer look, like reading reviews or experiencing the customer journey yourself. If you admire a brand, consider becoming a customer to see firsthand how they market, sell, and deliver. This course will take you through each of these processes in depth. We'll begin with value creation, where we'll spend 2 weeks understanding how to identify market needs and innovate effectively. Then, we'll delve into marketing, explore nuanced sales techniques, discuss strategies for value delivery that create raving fans, and wrap up with financial insights to ensure your hard work translates into a sustainable business. So, buckle up. This is your roadmap to mastering the essence of business. Stay tuned, stay motivated, and remember, a business thrives when you understand and optimize these 5 core processes. Got questions or insights? Drop them in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, keep dreaming and doing. See you in our next session, where we'll dive into the art of creating value that customers can't resist.